Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is Girlfriend Catches Boyfriend Cheating and Does This. So let's get into the video and find out what this is, man. Let's see.
Officers catch a male and female drinking in a park after hours inside of a vehicle. The male's actual girlfriend angrily arrives on the scene, suspecting him of cheating on her.
Can I get out?
No, just stay there for right now, right?
Okay, if she comes up, can I get out?
No, because then you'll go to jail for battery, I'm sure. I don't want to take you to jail, right?
Can you stop that?
What?
Please?
Wait, stop what?
What do you mean? Stop a female coming at me, because I will run at her too. If you want to entertain that for like a video.
No.
No, I feel like I hear her.
She's not coming over here. Let me get him out. So, say, Mr. Can you step out here for me real quick?
What's up?
Need you to step out.
Alright.
Can you unlock the door?
For what for, though?
Well, you're in the park after hours. Alright,
You
so...
want to check the car and stuff?
Well, and I just want to make sure that you're okay to drive, because I see you guys been drinking, alright?
No, I ain't drinking.
Alright. You got any weapons or anything on you real quick?
Never.
No? Alright.
Never. I got chips and stuff.
Kara, you're fine. You're a passenger, alright?
I ain't even been drinking.
Okay. Go ahead and sit back here with this car with me. Will you get that real quick? Alright, thanks. Okay, you've been drinking, but he hasn't?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just trying to get, like I said, so you had that open bottle there, alright? So.
Come on, man. You expect us to believe that you got the lady in there, man. You know what I'm saying? You vibing out. You trying to do your thing. And she was the only one drinking and you ain't have none. Come on, bro. We know the vibes. When the ladies come over, you know, they drink, you drink. You trying to catch the vibe right. You know what I'm saying? Oh, man. I give him props. You trying to chill out, man, but yeah, you cheating on your other girl though? Yeah. Sloppy work.
Open container is illegal. It's just an infraction.
Yeah,
all right.
Yeah, I'm 25.
I know, but I'm saying it is an infraction. You can't have an open container in the vehicle and everything. All right.
I drank it. I got it in it.
Okay, no worries. I just want to make sure he's okay to drive. That's all. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna keep her away from you. Okay.
Please.
I don't want to see you two get in a fight. Okay. Stay in the car, Kara. Stay in the car. Hey, Kara. Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
No, I'm right here.
All right. Go back.
I'm right here.
Just go sit back in the car.
I'm not gonna sit in the car when she said get out of my.
Get back in the car.
No, she said get out of my.
I'm telling you, get back in the car.
What do you want me to do?
Get back in the car. Don't worry about her right now.
No.
Get back in the car.
The actual girlfriend who's yelling from the background is the real owner of the vehicle, which is why she's yelling at Kara to get out of the car, while the officer is telling her to get back in.
Get back in the car, you can go in handcuffs. All right.
No, I'll sit in the car.
Okay. Go sit in the car.
Oh, now.
Let's try and go. Keep going.
It's funny how now that he say you gonna go in handcuffs, you laugh, and he actually makes the movement to put you in handcuffs. Now you want to go inside the car. Cops shouldn't have to do all that, man. They should just have to ask you one time and you just do it.
Keep going. All right, you good, man. You've had a little bit, man. You aren't legal to drive, so you don't want to drive away from here. I'll tell you that much.
No, I won't. This is her car, and it does come back to it.
Yeah. So
when I say I want my.
Who's the other gal over here they're laughing with? Any idea? Huh? No, not her. The one there.
That's my baby.
I got you.
She's a little bit jealous.
I got you. A little upset you over here with somebody else. I hear you, man.
Yeah, toxic.
I don't blame you. I want to stay away from all that stuff too, man. That ain't worth that trouble.
Yeah, but you're driving around in her car, bro. It's not like it's your vehicle, bro. Come on. Like, let's be honest here. She mad, yeah, because you cheating, but she's mad because you got another chick up in her car. You trying to, you in the park. We know, hey, look, I don't care what age you is, man. Y'all, everybody been there. Even if you older, if you 60, 50, 40, come on, when you was in your 20s or whatever, like, you sliding out with your man, you know what I mean? Or a boy you like, if you a girl, and a guy you like, if you a boy, you know what I'm saying? You're sliding out trying to do what y'all could do. You know what I mean? So we all know what what's the intentions, what homeboy trying to do it with the side joint. But the problem is come on, man. You in your baby mama car. Like, come on, how disrespectful can you be?
I want my now.
okay. What all do you have in her car? get your stuff out.
Can we
And then-
just, like, get, like, a ride home?
Well,
Are we
probably have you
going
get
to
his-
jail or not?
You're not going to jail.
Okay.
I don't believe either. I don't think so.
Okay. Is
So-
she?
Is she? No.
Okay.
As long as everybody keeps their hands to themselves.
God,
Okay.
I want
Are
to rub right now.
No. You can't drive, can you?
No, I'm
Okay.
not trying to drive. I'm trying to fuck her up.
All right. Well, let's not do that. All right. Get your stuff.
I need
All right.
to. Can I bring the bottle?
Yeah. I mean, well, don't leave it in here, because.
Okay.
All right. So, unfortunately, you guys are gonna all have to walk because he's a 155. He's too drunk to drive. All right. Kara, don't go toward her. All right.
Ma'am, if you want to come over here and just lean against the hood too, you're more than welcome to. There's a boat right there on that Ford logo if you want.
You ran your mouth, I'm snitching. Felicia, you want my social? You want my address? We can meet up later. I'm snitching, bitch.
She's making herself look bad the more she runs her mouth. You don't want to be involved in that.
I'm snitching.
Ma'am.
No, don't tell
Ma'am.
her. Don't tell her where
Ma'am.
we at. That's my shit.
Okay. Do you want your car?
Yes, I want my
Alright.
car and I want to go home.
Okay. You
I
can
ain't
take
did
your
nothing
car.
wrong.
You can
Thank
take
you.
your car and you can leave.
Thank you.
Yep.
You ain't got no money?
Okay. Well, you can throw that away then.
Yeah.
All right.
It's a park.
Okay. I appreciate that. She's gonna leave. You guys are gonna have to walk.
Hey, can I get my wallet with my money and stuff?
I'll get it. I'll get it from her. Hey, hey, Kara. Hey, step back. Stop.
All right. Well.
See, she come up.
Yeah.
This is his driver's license.
Okay.
This
do
is
that.
his driver's license.
Let's go. Stop. Okay, and I will get. You're gonna calm down. Get back over that. Back over that car.
Excuse me.
No, it's not. It says step on. You
Okay.
you got a
Get in the car.
you got a dick.
Get in the car.
And I'm pressing charges.
Get in the car and leave.
Why is it taking me 7 police officers?
I count 2, not 7. Hey, stay right here. Hold on. She's gonna search you real quick. Make sure you have anything on you. Lock her real quick. We'll get in there. Hey! Stop! What the f are you doing? What the hell is wrong with you?
You're pretty fucking stupid, aren't you?
I get what the hell are you doing? Just stop. You're just causing yourself more problems.
I'm really
open
not
that door.
hurting none of you guys' problem.
Step up.
Can I step up now?
Yeah, step up.
For what?
She is.
This car stays here all night. All right.
Alright. Bro, I'm a player, bro. I'm gonna make her come back and get it. Yes, sir. I'm gonna make her come back and get it.
More power to you then. All right. All right.
Hey, y'all shouldn't take her to jail.
Hey, that's my boy. Hey. He said, hey, he really liked that one. Hey, he really liked that, boy. He said, I'm gonna have her come back and get it. You hear me? Like, he really liked that, man. Yo. Yeah, bro. He doing this thing. Is it right? No, it ain't right. But hey, you know, he doing this thing, man. Got these women going crazy over him. listen, bruh doing this thing. You hear me? These women crashing out, bruh. Crashing out, man. I get the baby mom crashing out, you know what I mean? She got a family to protect or whatever, but clearly he don't care, you know. But the other chick, he got the side chick, she ready to crash out. She already crashed out. You know what I'm saying? She ran up to the baby mom to fight the baby mom. Like, what? Damn, boy doing it like that? Yo, he got them a hook. You hear me? Clearly he got the baby mom hook because she got kids by the dude. And then the side bruh doing his thing, man. I can't front.
She committed battery in front of a law enforcement officer. She got to
They
go.
didn't even fight or nothing.
She fought. She hit her.
It ain't little. I got 2 of them fighting over you. No, it ain't little. Hey, y'all shouldn't take her to jail, though. She's a good lady. Man, she should have stayed away from the car. Right. But I'll see y'all later.
All right.
Yo, you hear, bro? Yo, bro talking spicy, bro. I told you he doing this thing. He like that. He got them kick back, relax, got them fight.
This car stays here all night, all right?
Bro, I'm a player, bro. I'm gonna make her come back and get it. Yes, sir. I'm gonna make her come back and get it.
More power to you then, all right? All right.
Hey, y'all shouldn't take her to jail, though.
She committed battery in front of a law enforcement officer. She's got to
They
go.
didn't even fight or nothing.
She fought. She hit her.
It ain't little. I got 2 of them fighting over you. No, it ain't little. Hey, y'all shouldn't take her to jail, though. She's a good lady. Man, she should have stayed away from the car. Right. But I'll see y'all later.
All right.
Man.
Have a good night, dude. Oh, fuck. It's like, good times. Good times.
Sit down.
Stand up. You'll be down here in a minute. I got a lawyer. Don't say no more. That's cool.
During the transport to jail, officers decide they need to hobble Kara.
She's ramming the back door. She's taking a running start and ramming the back door, so I'm probably going to have to hobble her.
Battery in front of law enforcement officers. That's why you're handcuffed.
For who? Which one?
For her.
Who?
You were the aggressor against.
Step out.
Girl. What?
Okay, step
what
out.
Girl?
Step out.
Step out.
Step out.
Who am I in?
Step out of the vehicle.
Here, I'll come out.
Come on.
No, it hurts.
It ain't hang on.
Hang on.
We can help it not hurt you, but you got to get out of here.
Okay.
Okay. Let's get these flipped
No,
around.
hey,
Stop tensing your arms
Stop
up.
tensing your arms.
Relax your arms.
Because it makes me hurt more. Please stop.
Stop.
No, I'm not walking too fucking fast. Okay?
Stop
You want to
screaming.
catch disorderly conduct out here too?
Yes, I fucking do. Already did.
Oh.
You want to stop?
Drop her.
You want
Put her
to
down.
stop?
Put her down. Put her down. Put her down.
Drop her. Drop her.
Kick me, son.
Yes, I take.
Yep, that's a felony.
You don't fuck too hard, dude.
Thanks for the felony.
You don't
Up
too
there.
hard, dude.
Step up.
Step up. Step up. Turn around and sit down. Turn around and sit down.
Ow.
Hey, little do y'all officers know she like it rough. You hear me? Nah, I'm going crazy. But listen, she is a hot mess. She is crashing out, bro. Hood rat at its finest right here, man.
Sit down. No. Sit down.
You got it? Blood all over me.
I'm a bit.
She kicked me, so she got a felony now.
There's more felonies. She said, I can't wait to kill you. Just stacking up felonies.
Yep.
Which one of us do you want to kill? Which one of us do you want to kill?
All of you.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 felonies.
Five.
Yeah.
You're not making very good decisions right
No,
now.
I don't give a fuck.
That's clear.
Have you guys killed anyone?
No, it's not usually my goal when I show up to work.
She's going straight in a chair.
That's okay. I don't give a
Now she's spitting. You trying to spit on me?
No, sir.
It sure looked like
It's a
it.
nice loogie you got going through there.
No.
Looks like you're trying to spit on me. I wouldn't suggest you continue doing that.
I'm gonna shut up now.
Alright, ready to start this film?
Yep.
Apparently she stood up, she has her cuffs around the front again. This is a good time for this time.
Oh, perfect.
Can I put my hair back up?
No.
think I'm gonna spit on you?
You've been spitting the whole time, so yeah.
So you can get out
Step
now.
out.
How? Hang on, my knees are weak, so please.
We'll help you. We'll
You didn't have any problem kicking me, so your knees aren't that weak.
There you go. Get down. Get your other foot down.
Get down.
Can you get that arm like this? That's it.
Don't kick.
Why I'm stepping on
Cut it out.
Can you tell me why?
Because you've already been kicking us.
No, why? No, can you tell me the reason why?
The reason why what?
The reason why I'm in the whatever I'm in.
I got her hands in her upper body.
Can you tell me why? I have a lawyer.
Because you've been resisting this whole time.
No, I'm f***ing claustrophobic and you're hurting me right now. I'm not hurting you right now. Please don't do more. Please don't do more.
Hey, man,
Please.
just relax. We're not trying to hurt you.
I'm not doing more. Oh my God! You're f***ing me out! No, you're f***ing me out! No, take a left! No, you're f***ing me out! I don't care about you, but you're f***ing me out!
I got a chance to get that hand.
You're f***ing me out! Stop! Stop!
Martin, I got it.
I'm f***ing claustrophobic! Stop!
Relax. Relax. Relax.
Hey, you want to get
Stop.
What have I done with my head?
Ma'am, I'm sorry.
Really fucking
Please
I got
rude.
this.
let them put you in the chair and calm down. I'm a supervisor. Please stop.
Relax.
Please stop it. Okay, so you do it more. So you're a bitch. So you're a bitch over there.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, let's put her in 105. There's.
Can add 3 more to that felony charge now.
For what? For what? For what?
Kara was charged with 2 counts of battery on a peace officer, simple assault, 7 counts of communication intimidation for her threats to law enforcement, disorderly conduct, public intoxication, and resisting. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.